love me, man. I love the streets. So I know y'all ain't think I was coming with some fruitcake shit. Y'all know me better than that. Hey yo, I should've been out. I'm deadly when I pull the pin out. Keep frontin', I'ma try your chin out. I knocked a lot of men out. I left them on the floor, spittin' flim out. It's either that or I'ma squeeze the gat and pop 10 out. You see Cody on ice spinning, jigged out white linen. And if a bitch don't like me, she must like women. Every time I come around, you see your wife grinning. Don't be mad cause your career's in the ninth inning. It's over now, nigga, leave the game. I'm from the danger zone where MCs get slain. Where thugs that never hesitate to squeeze the flame. Where niggas be taking drugs just to ease the pain. Hustlers flip cokie, 48 hours like Nick Nolte. When I was OT, your bitch wrote me. First day home, I dived in it. Left her thighs in it. Now that bitch be paging me every 5 minutes. MCs that I squash and disgrace. It's all about the Benjis. So why your bills got Washington's face? A lot of cats be frontin'. Mad singles with a 50 on top. L trying to have the city on lock. Piece the Biggie and Pac, cause they really were hot. Rap game, heavy hitters. It's a shame they no longer with us. Niggas wanna be L, ladies wanna see L. If I go to jail, you in shirt saying free L. What? Word up, man. My niggas is hungry. Ready to bite a nigga arm off. All my wolves in the house, all you live for what? See, hard about to get it, all eyes on us. Only ghetto niggas shine, who gon' rise with us? In the first cattle act, we gon' size them up. All my wolves in the house, all you live for what? See, hard about to get it, all eyes on us. Only ghetto niggas shine, who gon' rise with us? In the first cattle act, we gon' size them up. Hey yo, I hear a lot of bitch in your talk. See a lot of switching your walk. Only thugs get rich in New York. Time is running out. Niggas like L when you coming out. Because they sick